introduce to our young generation the role of nutrition and dietetics, what kind of work they will do, and also the importance of food, food as medicine. Yeah.
And I also learned about the career path from the wonderful professors, and also doing activities that make me learn about how food impacts our life. Through this program, I did learn that healthy food can also be delicious at times.
I think it was really interesting listening to Professor Winnie, especially when she elaborated about the various fields.
We were able to learn different kinds of cooking skills, the techniques, and the teacher also taught us a few methods in cooking, and we still can retain the nutrition inside our food that we take in a daily basis.
I love cooking after this class. I feel this activity is very fun. I love it.
Explore a lot into the different types of food you can eat in order to maintain a healthy but convenient lifestyle.